First, we need to register on Binance.com, fill out this form. Your Google, Apple, or Telegram account, or your mobile fund, or you can sign up here with your email. You need to see my name and referral code here. This way, you can enjoy cashback of up to 20% and a welcome bonus of as much as $600. I would like to stress this clearly. You will get a 20% commission discount for life on spot trades. You will receive commission rebates. And in leveraged transactions, according to the regulations and campaigns applicable to your location, you will get at least a 10% commission rebate for 1 month. In leveraged trades on Binance.com, yes, we have come to the Binance screen. At first, we need to complete our KYC account verification. You can do this within 30 seconds. You can easily identify yourself using your mobile phone. The next step is to deposit money into Binance Global. As you can see in the menu, click on the area that says Add Funds. From this point, the currency of your country, you can select your country's currency. For example, I will choose the US dollar from here. You can choose deposit USD or on-chain deposit from here. On-chain deposit means transferring money here from another crypto exchange or a cold wallet. Here, deposit USD lets you pay using SWIFT, bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other payment methods. It enables you to make payments. Click here. Once you do, the system will conduct a small test. You will need to click on several boxes here. You will need to click on them. After that, proceed by selecting bank transfer, Visa, or MasterCard. You can deposit your funds into Binance. We have now opened our account on Binance to engage in leverage trading. We have done our KYC verification. We deposited our funds. Now we are heading to futures trading, to leverage trading. We tap on futures from the menu at the bottom right. Yes, it has opened up for us. Usually this form does not show up for me because I have already set up this account. When you initially set up an account for leverage trading, the system will prompt you for a test. A quick test will show up and you will click on the boxes here. Then you will be set to participate in leverage trading. But of course these are. It varies according to the cryptocurrency regulations in the geographical location of the country you are in. Please research these carefully. Now the Bitcoin page has opened. Buy long and also buy short. The important thing to note here is this. You can see Onyx right here. Clicking here allows you to select your leverage amount. However, all experts advise do not go beyond 5 times. And as you can see here, there are serious alerts concerning Onyx. These transactions involve a huge risk. Why? If you opt to, for example, if you start a transaction with 50 times leverage, or 60 times, 70 times, and then a $100 long position. For example, you wrote here is 78,000. You said $100 for a long at $35 and you clicked buy. You opened the transaction, for example. When you do this, a sudden market fluctuation, for instance, the sudden increase shown in this graph can give you a nice gain. However, on the contrary, a sudden decline, as you see here, can completely deplete your account balance. So, you must be very cautious. Opening a long was like this, as you can see. Select the price from here, your entry price, then write the number here. Then say buy, that's it. Click on buy long. To open short, however, the price of Bitcoin will drop from here. It will decrease. If you want an option that says it will go down, you can write $100 here, then select the relevant price and click on the sell section. In other words, this is called sell short, but as I said, please do not exceed 10 times. All experts say this. None of this is investment advice, but when you raise the number here, you can really take on a very heavy burden. Yes, buy long. And that's how it was for buy long and sell short. Friends, now I want to show you the tools you can use in futures trading on Binance Global. Here, look, there are 3 dots right under a hamburger menu. We click there, a menu opens up. Here you can look at your history. If you are new to futures trading, you can click on demo trading. The thing I use the most is the calculator. Look here. When you click on the calculator tool, here is the target price, liquidation price, and in many options, when you open what kind of transaction, how much you entered, you can clearly see what risks you might face. You can see it like this. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I greatly value the time you took. I will keep presenting my experiences in leveraged trading through various videos. To summarize, this is how you use the referral code in Binance Futures Trading. Keep in mind that you are trading with your own money. Your money represents your life. Now, across all social media and the internet, many individuals are offering investment advice. Please learn to do your own analysis. If you fail to conduct your own analysis in this industry, you might experience very difficult times. I wish everyone successful trades. In this video, nothing I showed here is investment advice. Yes, I believe I have explained everything clearly to you up to this point. If you enter leveraged trades in this crypto sector without precautions, you could open trades at very high leverage levels. This is how it could be. Let me quickly explain how this happened. I have been in this field for 7 years, but I wasn't a frequent trader in leveraged positions. Market conditions pushed me into this, and one day, when an interest rate decision would be announced, the entire market and all indicators were showing an upward trend, and I fell into FOMO. I panicked about missing out. I initiated a 35 times leveraged position. Then Bitcoin slowly began to drop. I started to increase my investment. 10 grand and 15 grand. I had almost everything in it. So, the market experienced a sudden rise and fall. During that fluctuation, I lost all my funds. And unfortunately, I got a liquidation notice from Binance. I wish none of you have to go through this. Here, what could trigger this? I share my experiences in each video. This is all about crypto today, which is heavily impacted by global wars or political events. When a prime minister makes a statement, it might be about an embargo or a war. The crypto sector is unfortunately very affected. Thus, if you are trading with leverage or taking risks, I suggest you monitor all news and developments. However, above all, as experts advise, do not go beyond 5 times, 10 times, or 3 times leverage. If you go beyond that, the result can be like this. It was a negative experience for me. There's nothing I can do. We call this buying experience in our industry. It was a huge experience for me. And I have offered you this $72,000 experience for free. Yet nice things also took place. For example, if you behave logically and do not go beyond high leverage numbers, if you think rationally, if you choose a safe trading path, this will increase the chances of encountering those outcomes. In the end, it is a risky industry. Therefore, conduct your own research. I repeat, nothing mentioned in this video is investment advice. Your money, your life. Please choose careful and secure trading. If you wish to learn about leverage trading, you can check out the Academy pages of Binance Global. I have already included these in the video info section and in my article. You can review them. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in other videos. Goodbye. If you liked it, you can like the video.